This year's Summer Holiday Club is happening really soon and it's coming up on us. So we want to invite you to come along. If you're primary school age children or your parents with children, get them booked in. The theme this year is at the seaside. So you can imagine there's going to be a beach. Okay, it's going to be great. All the Moana vibes there. So make sure you bring your kids along on the 1st to the 4th of August. Okay, you don't want to miss out on this. It's going to be an awesome time. Get your friends to come along as well if they've got kids from school. Bring them along. It's going to be a bonanza. So enjoy that on the 1st to the 4th of August.
It's holy day, declare it is good. Bless the Lord, bless the Lord.
Are you new to Excel Church? Maybe you've joined us here in the last 6 months. Well, we'd love to invite you to join our new person Zoom call on the evening of Thursday the 27th of July. It's just a space where you can find out a bit more of what's going on at church, and you can meet other people online as well who are also new like you. So why not speak to a member of the team, sign up online if you can, and come along on Thursday the 27th of July. G-Force and Noah's Ark Toddler Group is on a break now for the summer, but we'll be back in September for those, for the children and the toddlers. But 180 for our youth has one more week left where we've got the summer carnival happening. So if you're a teenager, you don't want to miss that. You want to come along for that. It's free to attend, but you need to sign up online to have a look at details of that and check our social medias because all updates will be on there. So that's all for our kids clubs, toddler groups and youth. So we'll see you back in September. What an amazing time we had earlier this year at Strength Will Rise. For those of you that were there, you'll know what an amazing time it was where God met each and every one of us there with amazing treasures of himself. I had a lovely time there. It was so good being with church family, and I'm so excited to announce it's happening all over again next year from the 31st of May to the 2nd of June. So we want you to get those dates in your diary and save them because we'd love to see you there again next year. And I've got some cheeky exclusive news for you as well, that beyond that year, these weekends away are going to be happening bi-annually, which means they'll be happening every 2 years instead of every year, which means if you don't come to next year's, you've got to wait another like 3 years, maybe not 3, maybe 2, I can't do maths, but it's going to be a long time. So make sure you save those dates in the diary for next year and wait till we tell you that you can book in and get in quick so you can get your en-suites and all that. But just save those dates because we'd love you to join us for our church weekend away at Strength Will Rise 2024. So that's all for Excel News, but don't forget that this Wednesday is prayer and Bible study, and just to let you know, it'll be the last one until September. So in the month of August, because it's summer, there's not going to be any like Wednesday night Bible study meetings happening during that time. So come this Wednesday at 7:30 for our last one before the summer break. And that's all for Excel News, so have a great week, guys.